I'm go ahead and using my condensed glue. Go ahead and floating the no white top coat on. Either one you can do. It looks so cute. I'm in my own zone, right? Here's a tip and trick for you to do the crystal designs. You will get it every single design that you want. It's really simple. Just place the centerpiece on. You can pick any of the charms or any of big crystal size as your centerpiece, and you can place it right in the middle of the nails or in the cuticles area or in the diagonals designs that you are going to place. And as long as you get them really close and tight together, if you want some beads, absolutely you can add that on. Last step for my crystal trifecta, check first. I didn't squeeze nothing yet, but when you start feeling like scratchy, just a little bit, you can squeeze it. I'm using this for any of the metals or charms that need to cap and seals in the bigger spots. I'm gonna go ahead and even seal this, all of this charms.